हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग देखेंगे हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सेट अप MySQL in Windows machine. So basically we will be coming to mysql.com and we'll go to the download section. In download section we will be scroll down and in scroll down you can see the community GPL download, that is a community editor for MySQL. So after that we'll click on this MySQL community server. So एक बार हम इसे नीचे स्क्रॉल कर लेते हैं। तो ये नीचे आने के बाद वी विल बी जस्ट चेकिंग आवर विंडोज़ वर्जन। सो बेसिकली विच विंडोज़ वर्जन के लिए कौन सा हमें इंस्टॉल करना है, सो दैट इज़ अकॉर्डिंग टू योर विंडोज़ यू कैन इंस्टॉल इट. सो फर्स्ट विल डाउनलोड द MySQL installer. So here you can see the Windows version is there, so I'm just clicking on it first and it will begin the download. So just start my download, so you need to click here. Okay, so once it will be automatically started within, so it is showing. So let's run this part and yeah, it is starting the installer. So this is MySQL installer. Once it is run, you can see that we can have the pop-up of choose a setup tool. So you can have this next and developer default. So यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ऑप्शन है, developer default, server only, client only और full custom. So we are going to choose developer default and put it in next. Then we are going to connector, like for product we can just have a connected as a, this is a manual thing. So after that we are just going to click on next again. So this will be basically giving you the pop-up of product key. So we are just going to get this product key and check all of them basically to install it in MySQL. So let's install this part as well. So once we have selected everything and installed everything, we got this pop-up as it is installed. Then we'll click on next and group replication you can see. So just click on next. No, we do not need any settings to be done here, so we'll directly click on next and yeah, just click on next again. Then put your root password, or like you can set your password here as well. So just put the password and select go to next. So while doing next again, we can able to see our configuration setup is done. So now we are going to click on finish and again on next. So now we are going to configure the router configuration and here the MySQL server 8.0.15. the port is 3306. Username and password we can put it here and you can create this password. Basically this root password and username is being asked when you are going to connect the same. So आपको इसे याद रखना होगा. So make sure कि आप इसे याद रखें once you are going to do this. Now we'll copy log in the clipboard if you want to see. So basically just click on next and that's all. Click on finish. So to run the same MySQL we need to go to the command prompt and here in MySQL XG this is already being installed and यहाँ पे हमें कंसोल मिल जाता है. सेम थिंग जो हम लोग अभी मैक में किए थे वो ये हम लोग यहाँ पे भी करेंगे MySQL विंडोज़ में. तो यहाँ पे जो कनेक्शन होगा, अगर आपको डिफ़ॉल्ट कनेक्शन यूज़ करना होगा तो यू कैन क्लिक ऑन डिफ़ॉल्ट कनेक्शन और यू कैन क्रिएट योर न्यू कनेक्शन. विद द न्यू कनेक्शन you can have a local instance, connection name and my host will be same, root will be same, password you can store in the vault. So यहाँ पे जो root का पासवर्ड हम लोगों ने सेट किया था पहले, वही पासवर्ड यहाँ पे हमें इंटर करना होगा. So once you enter the password and click on the OK, it is being installed. So just test connection. Successfully made the MySQL connection. So you can see the MySQL connection is already being successfully made and now you have the local instance over here. So yeah, this is one of the easiest way to connect to the MySQL or install MySQL in the Windows. So you can see management is there, instance is there, you can run your queries here and whatever the output you can see it in the below output section. and this is how you will be installing MySQL. So yeah, that's all for you now guys. So do subscribe to Code for Placement, and thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to share, like this video, so that we can make more such videos. Thank you.